Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Steffi and I'm a wedding planner and a 2023 bride. So I'm actually getting married this year in Sri Lanka. It is going to be a big fat Sri Lankan wedding, and I want to use this channel to share my tips and tricks and my wedding planning journey here with you. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you how I put together my bridesmaid boxes. I did two variations. I did one for my bridesmaids and maid of honor, and another for people that are still part of my bridal party but aren't necessarily walking me down the aisle. I'll explain all that in another video. But if you are a bride getting married and need some inspiration on how to put together your bridesmaid boxes, or just want to learn how to DIY and personalize gifts for someone, this is the video for you. So let's get right into it. This is everything I included into my bridesmaid boxes. I personalized almost all of the items here, and I try to include items that were actually useful for my girls. Our wedding theme color was purple, so of course I had to include as many purple items as possible. First off, I created these custom wine bottle labels. I created the design on Canva, then I printed the design onto sticker paper and then just cut it into shape. Then I just stuck the labels directly onto the bottle and added a purple ribbon to make it extra pretty. I do recommend using something stable to secure the bottle so it doesn't move when you're applying the sticker. And look at how cute that turned out. Next was the passport. This was probably my favorite because it was so unique and so perfect for our destination wedding. I designed the entire thing from scratch using Canva. The front page included our wedding logo and the date. Inside the passport, I included some details about our wedding, like dates and all the events, our theme color, etc. And the other side, I included some fun facts about Sri Lanka, like the food, the tourist culture, attractions, and all that. I printed it out using cardstock paper, and again, just cut it into shape, then scored it using my scoreboard. And I was so obsessed with this. It's so perfect. Of course, no bridesmaid box is complete without a custom tumbler, and it's a must, especially for a tropical wedding. My girls definitely used this so much while they were in Sri Lanka, so I highly recommend this if you are having a destination wedding. I made the names using my Cricut Machine and then just added the names directly onto the tumbler using a transfer tape. It was pretty straightforward and easy. All my bridesmaids got a taller tumbler, and the rest of the bridal party got the short wine tumblers. Honestly guys, just adding a name to any items makes it extra special and is an easy way to customize and personalize the item for your girls. Next, I included these travel jewelry boxes. I decided to get these in their favorite colors so they can continue to use these even after my wedding. I customized the design using my Cricut Maker and then used the Cricut heat press to transfer on the design. The case was velvet, so I used a parchment sheet on top to prevent any damages. I kind of wish I got one for myself because these turned out so cute and so luxe, but they didn't have my favorite color. I also got these purple luggage tags. I saw these on Shein and it was screaming my name, so of course I had to have it. I added each of their initials to the tag using my Cricut Duo. It was honestly that simple, but just adding that small element made a big difference and it made it extra special. And of course, they can continue to use this for all their future travels. For the actual box, I decided to go with a bamboo box. I had these custom made from Sri Lanka because we want to support as many local vendors as much as possible for our wedding. I did end up painting the top and bottom frames white because the natural wood just wasn't doing it for me. Then I customized the box with their names. I also got these white boxes for the actual bridesmaids because I had a few more elements to their boxes and it didn't all fit into the smaller box. I added their names to the box, and in the inside it read, "Will you be my bridesmaid or maid of honor?" I had 2 bridesmaids and 2 maid of honors, and that's what they got. Here's another look at the finished products that I included into the boxes. As you can see, I did have some extra items that made it to the box, like some makeup, robes, and skincare, but They didn't require any personalization, so I didn't include it in my filming. Honestly, not gonna lie, customizing all this was time consuming and hard, but I genuinely loved the process, and I love that I was able to spend all this time and express my creativity and did this for my girls. It felt like I was able to include a part of me into all the elements of the box. Now for the best part, actually assembling the boxes and seeing it all come together. I started off by adding some crinkle paper to the bottom, and then I added a layer of white tulle because I wanted it to have that soft bridal touch when I opened it up. And then I just added all the items into the box one at a time. It did take some playing around and a few tries to get it right to fit all the items into the box, but I finally got it. Even then, the wine bottle didn't fit, so I decided to leave it to the side instead. I repeated the same process for the bridesmaid boxes, but I made some small changes based on the items I had to include into this box. Honestly guys, I like the idea of having two variations of boxes to honor my official bridal party and also my non-official bridal party, bridal tribe. They all played an important part in my life and of course my wedding. And just because they weren't my official bridesmaids or walking me down the aisle didn't mean they weren't important. So I love that I was able to include them and honor them in this process. To finish it off, I placed the bamboo box inside the white box with some added crinkle paper and placed the robes and the tumbler inside the box. And that was it. That was my finished product. I hope you guys really enjoyed that video and got some ideas and inspiration on what to include in your bridesmaid boxes. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will answer every single one of them. I will also link all of the items that I used in the description box below for your use. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching.